morning everyone! The color of today's recipe is green. I do not follow any particular diet to feel good because I love food too much, but rather when I decide to eat healthy, I think about colors. Different colors every day, so I eat a bit of everything without thinking of any particular diet. And this is the same for both fruits and veggies. I associate my mood and my desires with the colors that we find among the many ingredients. The protagonists of today are the pasta, the courgettes, and our sausages of turkey. I'm going to show you the ingredients now. The ingredients are our zucchini, our sausages of turkey, onions, half of a glass of white wine, quite sweet, pasta, mint, basil and thyme, peanuts and raisins. And then there is a secret about vegetables and fruits that I want to tell you. That is that the less the dimensions are excessive, the better it is, because that means that there is less water inside and therefore they have more flavor. Like the zucchini, they're not too big, quite thin. Now let's see how to make this dish together, and remember that at the end you will find the explanation made by Lisa of nutritional values. Because remember, we are what we eat. The first thing to do is to cook our zucchini and sausages separately. So first I open the sausage and I take only the inside that I'm gonna roast in the pan. So I keep it here for now. The pan has to be hot, so I add a bit of oil, just a little bit. Over low flame, I can start cooking the minced meat of the turkey sausages. I add a bit of thyme and basil. And I let it cook for about 6 minutes. After 1 minute, more or less, when it is already cooked, I can start adding the half glass of white wine. So we add flavor to our meat and we add liquids. Then over low flame, we let it cook for another 5 minutes, like we said. Then we start frying our zucchini. How can we see if the oil is ready to cook with? We use one of these, we bring it inside, and if we can see the bubbles, that means that the oil is ready. So now I can start adding the zucchini in the hot oil, slowly, and we fry them. So we cook the sausages and the zucchini separately. When our ragu of sausages and the zucchini are ready, I can start cooking the sauté. For the sauté we need hot oil, just a bit. Then we add our chopped onions. Then I add the peanuts. And then the raisins. And I let it cook for 20 minutes over low flame. If some liquids are missing, we can add just a bit of boiling water. The smell of the raisins with the onions is wow. I love cooking and smelling food I cook. Something really important I want to say is that we don't cook all the ingredients together because we want to keep their flavors. And so we cook them separately and then we bring them together at the end. After 15-20 minutes, as we can see, our sauté has reached this golden color. I can start adding the zucchini. And I keep the sausage ragu here, so then when the pasta is cooked, we can bring all the ingredients together. Now it's time for the pasta. Hot boiling water, first the salt, and then we can add our spaghetti. While our spaghetti are cooking, we keep our sauce warm, so then when they're ready, we can transfer them directly into the pan and the ingredients binds perfectly. We also add a bit of the liquids from the water of the pasta, because as we know, there is the starch that is good for the sauce. So it becomes creamier.
This week, Francesca added a healthy twist to what was traditionally a high-calories dish. Substituting turkey sausage for pork is a winning trick because turkey is significantly lower in calories and saturated fat while retaining a precious protein content. Now, interestingly, courgette isn't a vegetable but a fruit, and the darker the skin, the richer the nutrients. Courgettes are rich in water and fiber, which promote healthy digestion by reducing your risk of constipation and symptoms of various gut disorders. They're low in calories, helping you to reduce hunger, keeping you feeling full, therefore great if you're looking to lose weight. The fiber, potassium, and carotenoids in courgettes help lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and risk factors for heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. And mint. Mint is a fantastic herb. Its health benefits range from improving brain function, irritable bowel syndrome, and digestive symptoms, to relieving breastfeeding pain, cold symptoms, and even bad breath. And now all you have to do is to enjoy this refreshing, healthy dish with a smile, of course.